Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Nadine West and I am pumped to get into this bag. Now, I have decided, so I've struggled a little bit with Nadine West. They're a little bit hit and miss. I don't enjoy making videos where maybe I'm not excited about the majority of the boxer bag. So I kind of have been making the videos sporadically with my Nadine West. But I think what my new plan is, a few days after they ship Nadine West, you can actually see online a preview of what they sent you. Which, by the way, the last two bags have only had like 6 things in them, so I'm happy for that. Just 14 was too many. It was too many, and so I'm very pumped that the last couple bags have been significantly smaller. So, anyways, I am going to look at the preview and decide if there are enough pieces that I'm excited about to film a video. So that way, going forward, if you guys see a Nadine West video, you know that I at least have a couple pieces that I'm excited enough to make a video out of. So that is the case with this. I found some interesting pieces in the preview, so I am pumped about that. So if you're not familiar with Nadine West, they are an affordable styling service, one of the most affordable ones, both in price and kind of quality as well to go along with that. They send you anywhere from like 2 to, you know, I think I've gotten close to like 15, 16, I don't know. I've gotten a lot of pieces. They send you a mix of clothing and accessories, so I've gotten a majority of my accessories actually from Nadine West, and one of the best things is there really is no styling fee, just a shipping fee of $9.78 that does get applied to anything you purchase. And they give you a whole stinking week to figure out what to keep and what not to keep. So I am appreciative of the extra time on this one. So that's kind of the main gist of the service. Like I said, it's a little bit hit and miss for me, but I've gotten some good pieces that I like, good prices with this service, so I keep it going. Okay, first up we have this plaid split neck, I guess Henley style, V-neck Henley style. It's not a complete button down. And it's a 3/4 with a tab sleeve. I do like the colors. I like the red and the blue. I'm wearing plaid today. This might have actually been Nadine West. I don't know. This one's more of a flannel material, which I prefer. This is more of like a cottony, probably actually even polyester would be my guess. I'm going to do a quick check on that. Well, yes, 100% polyester. So lightweight, but could be good for layering. That is for sure. Now we've got purple, bright purple. This appears to be a long sleeve. Here we go. Kind of just a tunic length, I think. I think that's tunic length. And just a long sleeve tee. Love that color. Really bright purple. Doesn't really scream fall to me, but I do like the color a lot. And it's a pretty thin material, so I feel like, though I'm not a big fan of tunic length top, that this might be actually a pretty tuckable one. So we'll see. Then we have, this was one piece that I thought was interesting in the preview. And it's actually a lot thinner. Again, I thought this was going to be kind of maybe a flannelly type material, but this is actually a very thin, again, probably a polyester type material. 100% polyester, nailing it. It's got this little tie front in the top, and then it's a wide leg. So very interested in this. This to me is actually a summer piece because it's so thin it would not provide me with any insulation. But it's cute. I actually like that. Then we have kind of this chain necklace here. It's okay. You know, I don't particularly love it. It's just kind of okay. I have a couple other that are kind of that thicker chain type thing, and I think I'm satisfied with that. My next bundle has fallen apart, and it looks like it's just a couple pieces here. So here we have, probably, would this be considered a jegging, or is this a just straight up legging? I don't really know, but to me it's a legging that kind of looks like denim, but it's just a legging. So I don't know whether you call that a jegging or not, but it just feels 100%, you know, soft and legging-y, and it does have pockets in it, so we shall see. It does feel like it has a decent thickness and might provide some warmth, so we'll see what that like is on. this is the other piece that I was interested in and why I filmed. This is a dress. Now, I do have concerns that it's going to be bodycon because it probably is, but it's a sweater dress, and I actually have a black top in this like exact pattern, probably from a Nadine West. So that's interesting. I'll probably go look at the tag. But it's a midi length dress, though on me, who knows if it's gonna actually be midi. It just might be a maxi dress on me. And one of the interesting things I thought was it has a front slit on it. And I do enjoy sweater dress when they're not bodycon. And I'm not convinced it's gonna be bodycon, but I'm pretty sure. So, okay, we've got a few interesting pieces here that I'm excited to see how it fits. Let's do it. Okay, so first up, we have the dress. So for sweater dress, it is not super thick, but that is okay. I could wear it further into the spring and fall. I do like the midi length of it, and I think the slit in the middle is a very, very cute detail. And also it doesn't go up too high for a slit in the middle, because I think, you know, you can obviously have a slit that goes too high, and I'm glad that is not the case here. So I like it. It fits really well. So fit is really great, but it is a little bit too bodycon for my taste. It's not as bad as other ones I have gotten, but it's still a little bit too bodycon for my comfort. So while I like it, I don't think this is going to end up being a keeper. So next outfit. Okay, here we go with the second outfit. All right, so let's start at the bottom. So we have kind of these wide leg dress pants, and they are a pretty good fit. They're a little bit loose, but I think I'm actually okay with that just because they don't have a lot of stretch to them. I don't really want them to be too tight. My issue with them is probably just they are super, super thin. So even tucking in a top, I can feel, you know, kind of the ripples of the end of the top here. So I like them actually because they are unique, and I like the wide leg and I like the pattern, but I just don't know if these are thick enough for my taste. So we'll see. Now, the purple top is soft, comfortable. You know, I like the purple. Let's pull it out so you can see it. It was obviously tuckable, which is good. Here it is, just full length so you guys can see the length of it. So yes, it is a more tunic length, but like I said, it is somewhat tuckable. So this may be a keeper. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so here is the last outfit. And I just did my very first Instagram reel, which is supposed to be Instagram's version of TikTok. And you should check it out on my Instagram. It's terrible. You know, I make weird eyes. I'm not good at like smiling faces or whatever, and my transitions are bad, but you know, go check it out. Anyways, okay, so the leggings, jeggings, whatever you want to call them, they've got one side pocket here. They're a little bit long. They are warm, so they do feel nice. I do actually enjoy kind of a legging like this for staying at home. So this actually might be a keeper. It's not great, but for a stay-at-home jegging type deal, I might actually keep this. The plaid top is, you know, it's cute, obviously tunic type top and a great fit. I've always had good success with plaid tops with Nadine West as far as fit wise for some reason. I don't know, but it just seems to work out. But I have a lot of these type of tops from Nadine West and other boxes, so I don't know that this one really stands out to me as, you know, a really great keeper, but we'll see. So let's go over prices and decide what to keep. All right, here we go. Reminder that I do get 50% off with the VIP program that I'm in, so I'm gonna give you guys full prices, but just know that I'm paying half of that. Also, I do have a little bit of credit for Brianna's sign up. So Brianna, thank you for using my referral link. hopefully you love the service. So, okay, first top, this is called the Ray top, and it is $31.99. I don't think this is worth $32. $16, which is what I would pay. Yes, I would pay that, but I don't need this. It doesn't really have, I don't have room in my closet for this, so not gonna keep that. Then we have this purple top. This is the Alita top, $24.49. And it's a nice top. It feels good quality. I just don't know that I reach for kind of plain long sleeve tops much like this. So I just don't know that it would get a lot of use. So probably not going to keep that. Then we have the bottom, the gem. These are $35.99. Again, I feel like you can get so much better jeans or whatever at Walmart than this. Even at $18, it's a little bit iffy. But I do think this is probably going to be my keeper from the bag because they are warm, they're comfy, and I will wear these at home. So I think these are the keeper for me. And then we have the Celeste Pant, which is $23.99. That I feel like it's definitely worth it. It just didn't quite meet my needs. I just needed it to be a little bit thicker to make me feel a little bit more secure in it. But that is a good price for that. Then we have the Soma Dress, and it is $23.99. Again, I think that's a really good price for this. I love my black top that is in this material and pattern, but it was just too bodycon for me to be a keeper. And then we have the necklace, which I guess I never tried on, but that's okay. It's called the Haiti necklace, and it's $24.99, and I have a couple things already that are kind of that like chain link look, so I'm set there, so not gonna keep that. So I think to me the jeggings are going to be my keeper here. So that's my bag. It was decent, you know. I think there's a lot of pieces I like that I either didn't need or they just weren't quite perfect enough to make it into my wardrobe, but I had fun, and I'm glad they only sent me 6 pieces this time, so I'm happy with that. So let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below.